Hi, ready to get a little smarter? Do you know what this means?
The first definition of pop. A light explosive sound. For example, at first there were just a few pops, perhaps from pistols. The second definition of pop. A carbonated soft beverage. For example, a bottle of pop. American pronunciation. Pop. Pop. Repeat the word after me. As you repeat the word, keep the definition in mind to train your brain to master it. Pop. Say. Pop. Pop means sudden explosive sound. Pop. Pop. Pop origin. Late Middle English, senses, a knock, and, to strike, imitative.
Good job! Now you're way smarter. Subscribe right now and learn another new word every day.